Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Plouise July budget box. This month is a very big box. I'm not going to be able to open it on camera because it's just too big, so excuse me, let me open the box and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so it's actually inside this box. If I remember rightly, last month you got the actual box that said budget box inside. This one, because it's so big, it's just come in this box. So as you open the lid, it says, "You've got great taste. Say hi to your new favourite brand. Your purchase brought into my dreams, and now let my products make you look dreamy." Everything about their packaging is just beautiful. I really, really love it. I love the colour of the brand, pink and gold, beautiful. So there is this beast, and then we have, I'll show you this first. Plouise, Mama Mitchell, Acid Rain. Is it Nitro? Which is a green paint. Bloody love the packaging, it's so cool. Oh, cute. Cute. Do I swatch it? Not really. So yeah, it's just going to be like that. Would you class that as a teal? I don't know. It just says cosmetic paint. I'm being a bit quiet because my daughter's still asleep. Yep. And then we have a brush, which is 117. Too lost in the blend, or too lost in my blend. So yeah, blending brush. Cute. Love that. I ain't gonna be able to get that back in there. And then this beast. Now I'm guessing this is a palette. Look at this bubble wrap. It's bloody crazy. Wow, I love the that it's so packaged well. Oh my god. So Money Shot, this is heavy. How cool is that? Look, and they move. Less counting change, more counting blessings. I bloody love it. These palettes are just everything. I bloody love them. So yeah, look, these, oh, they've got a bit stuck. So yeah, they move about. Love that. Love the, I just love everything. It'd be nice if I had some tweezers because I can't do shit with these now. Okay. Oh wow. It's got a big mirror here, which obviously I won't show you, but confidence within is something money can't buy. Bloody love it. Look at that. I love like the, I don't know, like the embossing things. The big screen reminds me of YouTube. Wow, love that. And not only there, we have, if I can pull it out, there's another one. Wow. These glittery or shimmery ones are bloody amazing. So pretty. So yeah, there are some. Oh, I love them. I'm glad that it's got some brownish colours. But I really love that. Really love that. Wow. If I didn't mention already, I should have put them on my mind. Yes, so for the budget box, you pay £30 each month and postage is just £1. They normally get shipped out at the end of the month, so you get it like the first week of the new month. So last month was the June box, but I ended up getting that, I think, the first week of July, whereas this month, because we have a bank holiday, well, bank holiday Monday, I got it early. So I am super happy with this box. Last month I got a lot of like skincare, primer, bath stuff. So I'm glad that I got some makeup this time. I will leave the link to the website down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.